In this video, I'm going to show you how you can set the auto payment feature on your Robinhood Gold credit card. So let's see how we can do this thing. At first, we need to open the Robinhood banking application. So I'm going to tap on the Robinhood banking application and it will be opened like this. Now on the bottom, we'll find several menu items are there. So if we tap it over there, we'll see that this is the credit card details. Now to make the configuration for auto payment, at first we need to tap on the top left corner of the hamburger icon or menu. Once we tap it over there, it will bring like this type of options. So our goal is to set up the auto payment. So we have to go to the credit card section, which is called Gold Card. I'm going to tap it over there. Once I tap on Gold Card, then it is giving me this option: payment, then payment accounts, auto redeem points, and some other things. So our to configure the auto payment, we have to choose the payment section. I'm going to tap it on the payment section. Once I tap it over there, then we'll see the minimum payment, then full balance, standard balance, and some other information is there. To set up the auto payment, we have to go almost at the bottom line, never miss a payment, this section, and there is a button or text set up auto pay. We just need to tap it over there. Once we tap it over there, it will give us three options: every week, every 2 weeks, or every month. I'm going to choose every month, or you can choose any other option is fine. And then we have to press or tap that continue button. Once we tap the continue button, it will ask us like what type of amount we want to auto pay, like statement balance or minimum payment. I'm going to tap the first one, statement balance. But if you are interested if you are interested to pay the minimum payment, you can also tap it over there. And then we have to tap on the continue button. I'm going to tap it over there, and here it is showing enable auto pay, frequency, starting on, and amount. And here it is showing how frequency it will be paid. So every month 20th, and they starting on March 20. And here is the account section from where you want to pay. If you want to change, you can tap it over there, and you can change from there also. And then tap the save changes, this button. Now one important thing is that, so once you configure this auto payment, the remaining balance whichever was generated like last month, it will not pay automatically. It will be active after next month. That's why it is showing your first auto pay is scheduled for after your next statement balance is due. So if you are interested, you can pay or not, based on your decision. You can continue. I'm going to tap not right now this button, and that's it. In this way we can easily, once we complete the auto payment settings, then we'll see auto pay enabled. This type of text is there. Now we can press the back button or exit the application, and that's it. In this way we can easily set up the auto pay option of our Robinhood Gold credit card.